Hello friends, hope all you are fine and doing well. Welcome to our channel UG Moltech. Friends, today we are going to see the datum coordination system in Unigraphics NX. In this video, we will go through the essential concept and functionality of the coordination system in Unigraphics NX. Whether you are a beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, this video is designed to help you understand how to effectively navigate and manipulate the coordination system for your designing the project. We will cover the understanding of basic concept of Unigraphics NX coordination system and how to set it and how to modify it for the accurate modeling. Make sure to subscribe our channel so that you never miss an industrial insight, tips and tutorials. So friend, let's start our today's topic, datum coordination system. I'm going to click this icon. You can see datum CSYS is been opened. So first one will be dynamic coordination system. This one, wherever you will tap, it will create the coordination system, datum coordination system. Okay, if I'm going to type here, it will create here. If I'm going to type here, it will create here. I'm going to type here, it will create here. Okay, you can rotate in any angle. See, XY plane is being rotated. This plane also you can rotate. You can create according to your need. This is dynamic coordination system. Okay, just I'm going to apply. You can see a work coordination system is being created. Okay, the next point is infrared. Basically it will ask for three planes. Okay, 1 2 3. By default it will create a work coordination system. See, it has been created. The next one will be, friends, it is origin x point y point. Okay, it is asking for an origin as well as x and y point. Okay, so my origin I will take this one, and x point I will take this one, and y point I will take this one. Okay, you can see a datum plane is being created. Okay friends, hope you have understand up to this one. Okay, the next one is x-axis, y-axis and origin. Friend, the last one is origin xy point, but it is asking for a x-axis, y-axis and a origin. Okay, so I'm going to click for, this is my origin specific. Okay, you have to click this point, otherwise it will not take the end point. Okay, you should see this is active. So I am going to select the x axis. Okay, I am going to select this one x axis. Okay, and it is asking for a y axis. I am going to click this one y axis. Okay, see, a work coordination system is being created here. Okay, so friend, you can refresh it also. I am going to refresh it, and I am going to delete this one so that we can understand other datum plane easily. Going to cancel this one. Okay, and I'm going to delete all this one so we can understand easily other points. Okay friends, so friend, the next point in datum coordination system is we have done up to ZY axis. These two are similar. Okay friends, this is x-axis only, this is z-axis, y-axis. Okay, these three are basically same. So the next one is plane x-axis and a point. Okay, I am taking a plane. Okay, I am taking this one plane. Okay, now it is asking for a x plane. Okay, I am going to take this one, and it asking for a origin. I can take this one as a origin, this one or this one. See, a coordination system is being created. I am going to apply this one. So friends, the next one is three plane. It is simple as that. Just you have to click three planes. It will create a axis. Okay, apply. The next point in the datum CSYS is absolute coordination system. Basically it will create at the absolute point. Okay, just I am clicking here. You see this has been created at absolute coordination system. Okay, Okay friend, we have done up to absolute coordination system. After absolute coordination system, this is coordination system for current view. Mostly we are not using this 2 1, but I am telling this offset coordination system. Just we have to give the dimension. Okay, I'm taking work coordination system. Okay, this is showing 100. Suppose I will give you 50, 50 and 50. See, our offset distance of 50, 50, 50 is been created. A work coordination system is been created at a distance of 50, 50, 50 direction in X, Y, Z. Okay, friend, this is all about work coordination system in Unigraphics NX. Hope you understand this one. Okay, we have already covered this interface, then we have covered this sketch, and we have already covered the datum plane and datum coordination system. Friend, if you like my video, please subscribe, like, comment. We will see you in the next one. There is lot more content coming on your way. Thank you. Have a nice day.